from smart clicks, and so on. Now, this is the step where I'm going to just talk to you about lead capture pages or squeeze pages. There are a number of ways to approach this. Of course, if you have the resources, you can hire a designer or you can outsource getting your squeeze pages or lead capture pages made by someone else. That's definitely a way to go. And that's whatever you can get the best price for whatever your project is. The other option is to do it yourself, and in the beginning when you're first starting up, at least this was true for me, because I was coming off of having lost my job as a publicity marketing manager for a publishing company, and I didn't have the bankroll to start hiring people out to do things for me when I was ready to start my online business. So I've done everything that I talked to you about in this course, I've absolutely done myself.